Hello everyone, this is Jamyang. Good morning to everyone. Right now I'm at the most western side of Tibet, which is called Ruthok County. And Ruthok County is 1200 kilometers far from Lhasa, which is so far actually. And Ruthok County is located on 4,300 meters. So Ruthok County is actually surrounded by such an awesome landscape, like so many beautiful mountains with different colors. And also you will see Mount Range Kangtisi. And the interesting things in Ruthok County is you will see rock craft that has been carved during the times of early man's times in Tibet, and plus a beautiful lake. And also the most interesting thing at Ruthok County will be the 219 national road that has been located above 4,500 meters to 6,800 meters above sea level. And when you are traveling from Lhasa to Xinjiang, you must have to pass through this beautiful, awesome Ruthok County. So from the 4 highlights of the Ruthok County, today first I would like to show you is the Bangkong Lake, and I really hope that you would enjoy it with me, and please follow with me. Bangkong Tso is an indoor-hike lake spanning eastern Ladakh and West Tibet, situated at an elevation of 4,225 meters. It is 134 kilometers long and divided into 5 sub-lakes. The lake is 5 kilometers wide at its broadest point. And if your time is available during the trip, we also have boats that will take us around Bangkong Lake to visit the bird island and to see or to feel the amazing beauty of the lake. This is all, ladies and gentlemen. And now it's our lunchtime in a small Tibetan local restaurant. Juicy and delicious. After a beautiful yak momo lunch, our second highlight of Ruthok County that I would like to show you is the rock craft that was crafted since early man times in Tibet, and we have to drive like 20 kilometers west of Ruthok County. So here on this rock we actually can see lots and lots of paintings, mainly in huntings, objects and animals, such as contents of natural objects and so many different animals like tigers, deers, sheep, dogs and lots of birds. I mean, look at here. I mean, all those paintings has actually high ornamental and archaeological value. See this bird that has been carved in the early times by early men in Tibet, and I think it is really worth for you guys to come over here and discover different kind of marks that you can see onto the rocks. And so far I've found it pretty much like birds, monkey, sun, moon and a deer and a hunter, like so many different kind of those interesting marks that has been left by early men. And after visiting the rockcraft painting from the early man's time, we will drive like 3 kilometers to the Ruthok fortress and the monastery, which will be the 3rd and 4th highlights nearby Ruthok County. And when you reach there, that place will give us some original feeling of Tibet. The fortress and the Lundrup Trading Monastery have a history around 800 years old and was first built as Kyrgyz sect monastery and later has changed into Gelugpa sect monastery and was destroyed in 1970, and in 2014 they have reconstructed the fortress and the monastery. Ruthok Monastery was surrounded by so many beautiful mountains and lake, which is called Pangkong Lake, and nowadays we have like 6 monks living in the monastery. And I really recommend you guys to visit the fortress and monastery when you have time in Ruthok, or even if you are passing through Ruthok to Xinjiang. Oh my god, I really couldn't believe how big this fortress was before it was destroyed. I really have no idea how big this is. I'm thinking that it was much bigger than Potala Palace. Look at this amazing place. I finally have made to the top. And now I'm going to show you the antiques and holy statues of Ruthok Monastery, and beside that I'm also going to pray for you guys that can't visit this monastery.
kunum kumbasa kita kilo le sha ni kumba de ke ji na ta kadar ke ji kumba de sanga khar kumbasa man ana kadar kundu shinde kumbasa.
Oh my god, that was awesome. The statues, the monastery, landscape, lakes, mountains, everything looks so holy and beautiful. I mean, even though many people are so afraid to come to Western Tibet because of its altitude and a little bit poorer conditions, but I mean, look at that beauty of uniquely stunning natural of desolations. I mean, you will never ever find such a beautiful place like that wherever you go. Anyway, hope you liked my video, and if you do like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. And tomorrow I'm going to show you Tungkar Peyang, which is another mystery kingdom of Western Tibet, but the special is there are no tourists visiting at that place, and this place is still so decent, and I really can't wait to show you how it looks like. And see you in my next video. Good night and Tashi Delek to everyone. This is Jamyang. Welcome to Tibet.